Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add graphic on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add video that you want to edit, this one. Click add at the bottom. Now, if you wanna add graphic for this video, so you just click on the clip. And then at the menu you can swipe until you can see graphic, this one, this one. So you just click on it, and then if you wanna add graphic, so you have a custom the keyframe. This is the keyframe. Maybe I want to add a keyframe in this one, in this clip. So click on a graphic, click on the keyframe, this one, click on it, and maybe that one in here, click on keyframe again, and in here click on keyframe again. And okay, now I wanna use the graphic, so you just choose the graphic, this one maybe, or this one, or this one, or this one. And then, so that's how to add graphic on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.